Hello, I'm Professor Ethan Mollick of the Wharton School, and I'm here to give you 4 tips about how to use ChatGPT to improve your writing. Even though it feels like you're having a conversation with an AI like ChatGPT, you're not really. What you're doing is giving it a prompt to have it to produce text. And as soon as you realize you're not talking to it, new possibilities for writing open up. You're going to figure out the way to write the prompt to get the text you want. What makes ChatGPT different than all of the other AI systems out there is it has a memory. That's why you can talk with it. Right? It remembers what you said, and you can ask it to do things differently in the future. So play with that memory. Ask it to change things that I already wrote. Don't like paragraph 3? Ask it to make it more interesting. Add a different example, or add more verbs, or a story about a bear. Whatever you like, it will respond to that. ChatGPT is happy to be wherever you want it to be. So one big tip for getting good writing out of it is to ask it to be someone else. So you can tell it, pretend to be a writing coach and give me the best possible instruction you can, or pretend to be an innovative entrepreneur who always pitches good ideas, and then give it the prompt. You'll see it reacts in a completely different style if you ask it to be the CEO versus CTO versus COO of a company. So you can play with that. You can also ask it to write for different audiences, an amateur audience, an audience of experts. Large language models like ChatGPT have a number of important benefits and limitations. Ultimately, they're tools, and you need to know what tools are good for and what they're bad for. So ChatGPT is very good at creating language, but that language can often include lots of inaccuracies. It will lie shamelessly. We call this hallucinating, where it'll make up facts and they'll sound completely credible. So whatever you do, don't ask it for citations, probably don't ask it to do math, and check everything it says, because otherwise things are going to be wrong. You also should obviously not be using this for plagiarism, right? Acknowledge when you're using the system, use it responsibly, and it can be an incredibly powerful tool and technique for you to improve your writing and to produce all kinds of really great inspiration for whatever you do.